Oh yeah, had a long talk, a good conversation at dinner. Here I'm fish. And yeah, somebody's got luggage and a rack. Look like they're throwing it out. That could be worth something for someone. Someone's garbage is someone's treasure. You want to go see? Let me turn around. All right, so you got some type of luggage, but you got a rack that you could put on your car. I had a wonderful time last night. Oh man, all these dishes started to come out. Oh man, and we got there late and hard to find parking. Found a spot, sat down, and enjoyed the company. Had a great talk, a long talk, and it made sense. I have a friend. He went bike riding, right? He didn't say how it happened, where it happened, and I mentioned, you still ride your bike? Oh man, let me tell you what happened to me. I was riding, something happened, and I wasn't wearing a helmet and hit my head, and I was out for a while, and it wasn't good and it was serious. Thank God I'm safe and okay. And yeah, we talked, and it kind of makes sense. But it takes time for one to wear a helmet and start to get used to wearing it. We don't wear helmets, especially when we do scooter riding, biking, skating, and more. Did the camera do it correctly this time? There you go. That's what I was trying to show. So when we run, do we wear a helmet? I don't know about that. So last night, I got video of the Pocket 3. And yeah, man, let me tell you, it's video of dishes that I ate. So this is the first dish that I taken a picture of. And I'll just throw them up in random as I talk, so I make you hungry while I have a conversation while riding my bike. And I got about another 5 dishes to go. And I'll just, like I said, throw them up. Well, man, there's going to be severe weather today, so I got some editing to do. I'm going to get my bike ride in right now, and I can't even see the other side of the bay looking from here. Well, they are going out fishing. Let's see if I can get over there nice and quickly. Watch them take off. And see what they're going to capture and catch. I said capture. I meant to say catch. Normally I don't make it out here. I'm always before schedule. And this way you can get them to see them take off, pilot out. Now, when the Marlin Gene 4 goes out, we're going to watch Captain Dave III go out as well as he's backing up and going out. He was moving. He has to wait for clearance, so the boat passes and off he goes. Beautiful picture with the sunrise, severe storms coming in, and more. They didn't call for fog in the morning at all. But we did have a dish. We had a sea bass dish, which I didn't get in the video the last 3 dishes. It was rice, noodles, and sea bass. I couldn't get quick enough the camera out to take a picture before the gentleman started to fillet the bone out of the fish. Isn't that a wonderful shot of the boat preparing for takeoff, launch, piloting out as he's changed his engine gears to forward? As the people in the stern looking, a couple on the bow. And if it's so important to capture, there you go, the video. And you do things particular ways. Is it going to get you the attention you are after? I don't mind having this on, but I do mind it not sitting right and it starts to bother the glasses. This is an Amazon helmet. Is it the best helmet they have? Not at all. And is it the worst helmet they have? Oh man, luckily I got my hands on top to tighten down. I have the GoPro mount, the swivel mount on there. The strap, I could slip it off, slide it on. It's not easy to tighten down. There it is. That's on there solid now. Now, I did put a light on and I used Gorilla White. Apologize if it's not clear or foam tack clear. Good glue. Let it dry. I'm able to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth should be, you got it, blinking. That's what I want. So now I'm blinking safely out there. I'm thinking, do they make a helmet that has a clip and when you unclip it, the LED lights shut off? And when you clip it, it turns on automatically? Well, that's why they call it the Pocket 3 and the DJI Mic 2. And it's time to put the Pocket 3 away in the pocket. Have a great day, have a good morning, have a nice sunny day. It's time for me to reach in the back and shut my light off. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many other vids to come.